Have you seen those ads for Velora Cayenne circulation blood pressure support? The ones that say just a few drops under your tongue can lower your blood pressure, boost energy, and even help you ditch your meds? Well, today we're talking about whether this product is actually legit or just another scam in fancy packaging. Velora is a liquid supplement made with ingredients like cayenne pepper extract, beetroot, hawthorn, turmeric, and vitamins K2 and D3. It's marketed as an all-natural remedy for high blood pressure and poor circulation. The company claims you can feel results within hours, improve your BP readings in a week, and even reduce your medication dependence in just a month. It sounds amazing, but is it really? This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about the red flags. First, the product claims it can reduce your dependence on blood pressure medication. That's dangerous and misleading. No supplement should ever promise to replace prescription medicine, especially for something as serious as high blood pressure. Only your doctor should help you adjust or stop any meds. Another major red flag is the promise of super fast results. The website says you'll feel calmer within hours and that blood pressure can drop over 20 points in just a few weeks. That's just not how blood pressure works. Real improvement takes time, and no natural supplement can give instant results like that. Now here's the thing. When I looked into the customer reviews, they felt off, so I ran a few of them through an AI detector. The results? Nearly 99% showed signs of being AI generated. Even the review images look fake. And when you zoom in on the product bottle, the brand name Velora looks like it was digitally added. That raises serious doubts about whether this is even a real product or just a relabeling of something generic. Another concern is that the company gives only an email address for contact. No phone number, no physical address, not even an About Us section. There's also no info about where the product is made or shipped from. To top it off, the website was just registered on June 30th, 2025, so it's brand new and already making bold claims with thousands of fake reviews. So while some of the ingredients in Velora might offer some general health support, this product is clearly not a miracle cure. The website appears to be part of a drop-shipping operation, slapping a new name on a generic formula and using aggressive marketing to sell it fast. This same product is sold under many different brand names, all with the same unrealistic promises. Be careful with these kinds of health ads. Always talk to your doctor before trying anything new, especially when it involves your blood pressure. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't fall for hype that sounds too good to be true.